Do you have a customer not allowing their diesel truck to complete the diesel particulate regeneration process? We have a solution for you. Next.
This video is brought to you by Standard, manufacturer and distributor of engine management products for 100 years. Visit standardbrand.com for more information.
A diesel particulate filter, or DPF, may look like a big catalytic converter, and it even breaks down unburned hydrocarbons in a similar manner. But a DPF is designed to trap larger soot particles and reduce them down into smaller particles, so they are less harmful to the environment. The other difference from a catalytic converter is the regeneration cycle that periodically burns off the accumulated soot in the DPF. The regeneration cycle involves adding extra fuel and air to the exhaust gases entering the DPF, so temperatures increase. This generates temperatures in excess of 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit to help catalyze the particulates trapped in the passages of the DPF. Mileage and running hours are used to determine if a regeneration process is required. Also, most systems use pressure sensors that check the input and output pressures of the DPF to determine if a regeneration process is necessary and if it was effective. On most vehicles, the regeneration process can be canceled or aborted by the customer if the timing is not convenient. On some vehicles, it is possible to force a manual DPF regeneration cycle with a scan tool. Before the regeneration cycle is started, make sure the vehicle can undergo a regeneration cycle. Basic checks for coolant and oil level should be performed. The fuel level should be at least 1/4 of a tank, or the manufacturer's specification. If not, the regeneration process won't start. The regeneration procedure should be performed outside of the shop. On some Ford applications, the vacuum from the exhaust collector will alter back pressure readings, and the high heat could damage the exhaust venting hoses. The best advice is to follow the procedures on the scan tool and in the service information to the letter when performing a forced DPF regeneration procedure. If you take a shortcut, you could damage the DPF. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.